guys, it's Nelson and welcome back to another video. So obviously I have the RCF right here and something cool just happened also. So in the last video you guys saw that my right paddle wasn't working. Today we actually have the correct parts to try to fix it, so I'm gonna just fix that real quick, but that's not the main point of today's video. Today I'm actually going to go on like about, how many miles is it? I think a 140-mile road trip up north, I think, to go give a subscriber my personal, hold on, wait for it, my personal throttle controller. This thing right here, right? Now, the reason why I'm giving him my personal throttle controller is because he purchased one using my code from Wind Booster, but they sent him the wrong one. And he's been in contact with them, but there really hasn't been a solution. So since he's a subscriber and since I value my subscribers, because I see you guys not only as subscribers as people also, I'm gonna just give him mine. And yeah, because he spent money on it and he received the wrong item, and I just kind of feel bad. So we chose the meetup spot, and also in the meantime, you know, I could make some content. Now he doesn't know this, but I'm gonna also see if I could give him a ride along in the RCF. He's never seen an RCF in person before, and he also said that if he sees it in person, like if I bring the RCF instead of the Honda, he just might go crazy. Today might be a day full of reactions, and yeah, let's just hope we don't get pulled over. Fingers crossed. But anyways guys, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just fix my paddle shifter. I might do this off camera so that I can just do it quick. Then we are on to meeting Sam. His name is Sam. So I do have to take off the airbag in the steering wheel. And yo guys, I've done this so often that I could probably do this with my eyes closed at this point. I'm giving myself maybe 5 minutes to just take off everything and fix the paddle shifter. So yeah, let's see if I could do it in like 5 minutes. All right guys, we have everything assembled all back together, and I'm gonna be honest, that did not take 5 minutes. It took more like maybe 10-15 minutes. But anyways, hopefully the right paddle works, fingers crossed, because if it doesn't work, then it's a wiring issue and it's all my fault. And it's all my fault. But anyways guys, we do have about an hour and 37-minute ride, and yeah, I should be getting there by 12:20. So yeah guys, it's time to go on this road trip. All right guys, we are doing our first gas stop, and so far, yeah, it's a pretty smooth drive. But yeah, this is our first stop. I think I'm gonna go inside and grab a few snacks also. Well, actually not a few snacks, a drink, because I am thirsty. So I looked at the GPS, we are still about 78 miles away. Shit. This is almost a 200-mile drive in one day. Yo guys, look, this goes to show, guys, if you have a nice car, do not just keep it parked in the garage. 200 miles in about a day? Yeah. In the RCF? Yeah. Who cares, right? That's the point of the car, to drive it. Just finished with some gas. I'm going to the store and grab a drink right now because I'm getting thirsty. I have water in there, but it's been sitting in the car, and it's like 80-something degrees outside. So obviously hot water isn't really the best thing for you. But yo, that's a nice Mercedes anyways. Yo guys, I'm a fucking idiot. Yo guys, I left my keys in the car and I was about to walk away. Free RCF. Shit, that was close. I don't know if you guys are fans of Pepsi, but yeah, I always get the one with 0 sugar. I don't know, you know, extra calories. Guys, there's too much traffic, so I'm gonna catch you guys at a different point in time. Nah, insane. You guys have to hear this in person, honestly. And also, yo, I know for a fact, it looks so sick on video too. Steering wheel and all that. Oh my gosh, man. Like, I just, airgasm right there. Airgasm. But anyways, guys, we are about 16 miles away. I did run into some traffic, so it kind of added on. But yeah, we're about 16 miles away, approximately 26 minutes away. Wow. We just arrived, and here's the boy Sam and his clean ass IS. Sheesh. You guys see it? Nah, that's fire. What? Fuego. Yo, this shit is nice, bro. Are you on springs or coilovers?
I'm on RSR down springs.
Nice. Nah.
I need new tires though, because the front rubs so bad. Oh my god. Like, that fitment looks nice, but
yeah.
it rubs.
Cause you're oh, so you need like a.
I need like a lower sidewall.
Yeah.
I'm not too sure.
Oh yeah, I see what you mean.
40, so it just rubs, but whatever.
It rubs a bit.
I'm getting new tires.
Oh, a lot.
A lot.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
On turns, it's like it's a bad noise, but it's whatever. I need some lips. Like I want to get a front lip side skirt.
Honestly, my favorite lip isn't even this one. My favorite lip is the Amazon lip. But like it cracked.
Fake carbon?
Yeah, no, it wasn't even fake carbon. It was just yeah, his car. But then it cracked, and I think I went through like 4 or 5 lips. It was insane. Then
yeah, that's probably what's gonna happen to me.
Yeah, then this one is the most expensive lip so far. As you can see, shit cracked, but I had to fix it. Like it cracked right there.
Naturally, or like you hit it?
No, I hit it. So what happened was I was trying to go into like a parking lot sideways, but it was at nighttime, so I couldn't see anything. So as I was going, right, I started to like go up the ramp, but at the same time, my bumper and the lip smacked the curb.
Damn.
So the whole thing just cracked, and I was like,
how much was this one?
If I could remember, like 140, 160. All right, guys. Oh man, that was a pain in the ass, but we do have the throttle controller out. Boom. And we just gotta install it real quick. It's unplugged. Boom. It's time to just plug it into yours. This is a fire interior. Yeah, sometimes I kind of wish I had red seats. Yeah.
I like it.
Cause it looks fire. Nah, this is dope, bro. Drag. Honestly, I stay off that. Nah. He should be careful with the drag. Shit. What do you think, bro?
That shit almost made me like die on the reverse.
I'm about to take them for a ride along. Yeah.
It's gonna be crazy.
In Mexico, of course, in Mexico. So
in Mexico, we just pulled up.
yeah, got you.
Holy shit. The downshift. Downshifts are so cool.
Insane.
I do the same type of thing. I'm always downshifting.
Yeah.
Just makes my life better, you know?
Yeah, bro. Every time, bro. Every time.
Oh my god, but the shifts are so like
Yo, that shit sounds, bro.
real drive.
Insane, right?
I would die in this car.
How is New York traffic? Because I've heard of, I'm sure you heard of
Yeah.
squeeze bend, etc.
Oh yeah.
So like, have you seen that in person?
haven't. Well, I'm gonna be honest. I've seen people cutting up in person,
Like
for
that, like
sure.
that crazy? Like white lining and shit?
The white lining, nah, I haven't seen anyone white line. But like I've seen people do some really crazy cuts. Yeah, and yeah, like some crazy cuts. But yeah, but I haven't seen like squeezing them.
Anyone who white lines is crazy.
But they are insane though.
White lining,
Shit.
If I ever do that in my life, I'm gonna show it.
It's so funny the Lexus crashed into him.
Yeah, yo, I saw that.
I love seeing the Lexus like get some recognition.
Yeah.
Like not for a good reason.
Yeah, exactly. I was the same way. Come on. Ah, yes.
Right? I was like, bro, he was doing so good too.
Damn, that's a fact.
Like, what cars have you like raced?
Honestly, I haven't raced a lot of cars, but I raced my friend's full bone-on Q60, and I lost.
Damn.
Yeah, but he's twin turbo though, and he's like 600 something horsepower also.
Shit.
Yeah, so like he beat me by like maybe a car and a half or 2 cars. Yeah.
But your car sounds better.
Yeah.
And it looks better.
Exactly, bro.
And it's gonna outlast this car.
Exactly.
Every time the Lexus arguments, it's more reliable.
Yeah, that's a fact, bro. That's a fact. Yeah, bro. That's all I say. All I say is at least I can have 500 horsepower for years, bro. Years. Forever.
Yeah, honestly.
Yeah, forever actually. No issues.
Looks like an Instagram account where he has like an ISF with like 430,000 miles.
Yo, I saw that ISF. It's insane. It's insane,
He's
bro.
redlining that shit, he pulls it.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah, bro. It's insane, bro.
for real. Driving a car like this, like you can't resist.
No.
Driving on manual.
Yeah, bro. Every time. It's crazy.
Oh, the tunnel. Shit.
1 second of freaking joy, bro.
Yeah, in Boston, I do like the tunnels are so nice.
Bro, it's so dope, right?
Oh, that is such a impressive fucking downshift.
The G-force. I'm gonna try something, right? And after the ride along, shit.
I need to sit in this chair before I leave though.
Oh yeah, sit in it, bro. See. Yo, so comfortable.
Yeah. Oh my god. Peak.
Yeah, it just hugs you.
Yeah, it does. It's very nice.
Yeah, right?
I love how it's like not attached.
Yeah.
I love shit like this.
Exactly, bro. Same here. And
I like that you didn't get a chrome delete.
no,
I low-key love the chrome.
no, it's funny.
Everyone gets chrome delete.
Yes, everyone told me to get it, but like I was like, I'm not a fan of it.
Yeah, people
honestly.
keep telling me, I'm like, yo,
Yeah,
I kinda
no,
like the chrome.
yeah, honestly, bro. And how I see it, I feel like the chrome and the wheels, bro, just perfect match. Exactly, perfect match. Yeah, same for me, but after I wash it though.
Yeah.
yeah, just filthy as shit.
I know some people get like the RCF fenders for my car.
Yeah, oh yeah,
Look dope.
yeah.
Some people be going crazy.
Yeah, it's fire too. That was an experience, yo, at the time of my life. Anyways, guys, I gotta use the bathroom, so that's why I'm parked. So I'm gonna go use the bathroom. Yeah.
What the fuck? The Backroads are so fun. I love it.
So fun, bro. Man, listen to this train.
Oh my god!
Hands up, bro.
Oh
is terrifying. That car is like, what the fuck? Driving on a normal day. Yo!
Speed up at home.